How to remove payment method on Xbox. Hey everybody, welcome to our channel. In this video, we're going to learn how we can remove our payment method on Xbox. So without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. In order to remove your payment method on Xbox, you can do so right from your Xbox console, or you could simply open your browser and go to xbox.com and make sure to log into your Xbox or your Microsoft account. Then click on your Microsoft profile from the top right hand side and go to My Microsoft Account option. When you've done that, you'll see all these various options. Remember that if you have got any type of active subscription on Xbox or Microsoft and you want to delete that payment method that is linked to the subscription, you won't be able to do so. After you make sure of that, from here scroll down and look for the option called Payment Methods and select it. You will see a list of payment methods you have, and if you want to remove a certain one, you'll find the delete button right next to that payment method, or you can go within the edit button and try to delete that payment method. This way you can remove payment method on Xbox. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.